All right, my friends, we are going to try this again. I had just wanted to share some basic resources that I put together for you for next year's New Testament. When you first log into Canvas and go to the home page, I've added this New Testament resource button. When you click on that, you'll see just 4 resources. I may add more as the year goes on as we learn of things that would be a blessing for you. A link just to the New Testament. I know you have access. A link to the New Testament Teacher Manual, and a link to the Stake Seminary Teacher Policy Manual. Occasionally, I do get questions about things like makeup work, tardiness, etc. And let's just go in there for a second. As you go to this main page, you can see right here is where you have policies on attendance, page 10 and 11. So we'll just scroll down and show you that real quick. Here you have the policy and principles of makeup work and the policies and principles of tardiness, if you ever want to look to understand how you can best meet your students' needs. The big one I wanted to look at is this pacing guide. When you open the pacing guide, yes, I had said before, the new manual essentially acts as our pacing guide, but there's maybe just a couple of things I wanted you to be aware of. Because the pacing guide isn't a box, rather it's a path to help us understand how to walk this seminary journey. What I mean by that is you are welcome to adopt and adapt as you see fit to best meet the needs of your students and have a deeply converting experience for them. A couple of places to just be aware. Easter is blank because in Come Follow Me, that week is focused on the resurrection. However, the chapters in the New Testament about resurrection don't happen until June, when we'll be out of school. So you may want to pull up, we have one option here, like Luke 24. You may want to pull up some of those days as a blessing to your students to focus on resurrection. You'll also notice this weekend leading to April, where we'll have General Conference, there's nothing here for General Conference. So you might want to adapt, maybe pull 2 of these lessons together so you can have a day to focus on General Conference. The one thing I'd encourage you to do is doctrinal mastery is a priority this year. Please don't remove the doctrinal mastery lessons. If you're going to adapt, please adapt and move some of these other scriptural lessons. Combine them or just know that they might cover it at home, at church, etc. The other thing I want you to be aware of is after the summer, we have links to the introductory materials. It isn't fit anywhere in this manual, like Introduction to the New Testament or Studying the Scriptures or Learning by the Spirit or Introduction to Doctrinal Mastery. Put it here just in case as you start back after the summer with new freshmen, that might be a really good time to introduce and put in some of these new lessons, these introductory lessons to help your freshmen quickly understand the process of how seminary works. In the manual is built the doctrinal mastery assessments, but I put them here for you for quick access, review assessment and assessment number 1, so that you can add them if it doesn't fit where the manual has them in any of these doctrinal mastery reviews. You can just kind of, again, fit it in where you need it. We'll talk more as time goes on. I just wanted you to be aware of what is available and what I've put together. Please let me know if there's anything else I can do for you, provide for you, or answer for you to best support you for the next year. Sure love you. I am grateful for you. Thank you, my friends, and have a wonderful Thanksgiving break.